Hi kids, welcome to Enhance Your Learning Environmental Studies for Grade 2, Unit 2, My Family and Friends, Lesson 4, Type of Families. In last class, we have seen the different types of small family, like what do you mean by small family, what do you mean by nuclear family, what do you mean by single parent family, then foster family and childless family. In this class, we are going to see about big family. Kids, can you tell me what are the two different types comes under big family? Yes, very good. It is joint family and extended family. So in this class, we are going to see about that family as well as what are the advantages of having small family and joint family. Okay? Big family. A mother and father with more than 2 children make a big family. Okay, a mother and a father with more than 2 children. See how many children are there for these parents? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the parents may also have 5 or 10 kids. Okay, so that family will be a very big family. Okay, they can be nuclear family also if they are living with their kids alone, not with the grandparents or aunts, and they are also called as nuclear family. Okay, next is joint family. A family in which grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and cousins live together is called a joint family. It is also a big family. Okay, because here, for example, if you take this child, these two are grandparents, this is the father and mother. Okay, these two are aunts and these two are uncles and these 4 are cousins for this kid, right? So, joint family means a family in which grandparents, parents, their aunts, uncles and cousins live together is called joint family. It is also a big family. Okay kids? So, understood the difference between big family, joint family. Next is extended family. Okay, extended means it keeps on increasing. See this family, how many members are there in this one family? Okay, all will be living in one roof. Okay, one house. That is called the extended family. So, extended family means in which several generations live together within a single household. Okay, several generations live together in a single house is called extended family. You just think about your family. Okay, you are the one and your brother or sister will be there, then your parents will be there, right? Sometimes your grandparents also will be there with you. Other than your grandparents, parents and your brothers and sisters, your grandparents' sister or your grandfather's sister or their kids and their grandsons, if all are living in one house, you just imagine how big the family will be. Extended family means in which several generations live together in a single household is called extended family. So, understood what I mean by big family, joint family and extended families. Next, we will see some of the other important points. Okay, what do you mean by surname? Surname is the family name or the name everybody shares in your family. For example, if your father name is John, okay, if your father name is John, your name will end with John and your mother name will end with John and your sister name will end with John, right? So, surname means it's the family name or the name everybody in your family shares. Understood, kids? So surname is the family name or the name everybody in your family shares. Next is the member of your family are known as your relatives. Okay, the member of your family are known as your relatives. So you will have aunts, uncles, cousins, nephew, niece. Okay, everybody will be there. Okay, all are your relatives. Okay, the member of your family are known as your relatives. Next, nickname. Nickname is a pet name used by your parents and friends. Okay, so this nickname will be called by only your parents and your friends. For example, my name is Shija, but my friends used to call me as Shiju. So I'll be happy when I am hearing Shiju. Okay, so the pet name is the nickname which is called by your parents as well as your friends. Understood? Next, we'll see about what are the advantages of living in small family and living in large family. Everything has its merits as well as demerits, right? Merits means advantage, demerits means disadvantage. First, we will see about the advantages and disadvantages of small family. Okay, so first point is less stress for the earning person. Okay, you see all small family type. If you are a nuclear family, only 1 or 2 kids will be there. Okay, in childless family, no kids is there. Then in the foster family, only 1 or 2 kids will be adopted by the parents. Okay, and in single parent family also 1 or 2 kids will be there. So only less stress will be there for the parents. Okay, only less stress will be there for the earning person because only they have to take care of this 2 kid or 1 kid. Okay, next one is less space is required for living. Since the family is small, they need at least 1 room or 2 room with 1 hall and kitchen is enough for their survival. Okay, less resources are required for survival. Okay, since the family size is small, they have to purchase only less items for the monthly basis or weekly basis. They can purchase less items. Okay, then parents can take care of their kids properly. Okay, since they have 1 or 2 kids, they will be able to take care of their nutrition, their education. Okay, like they will take the kids to the extracurricular activities like swimming classes, keyboard classes, then dance classes, karate classes. So like that they will have some money to spend for these activities also. So these are all the advantages of being in a small family. So what are the advantages? Less stress for the earning person, less space is required for living, less resources are required for survival, parents can take care of their kids properly. Okay, next, what are the disadvantages? These are all the advantages we have seen. And what are the disadvantages of being in a small family? Yes, first one is selfishness. Okay, it's very, very bad. They will not share anything with others. They will not have the habit of sharing because in their home they were alone. Okay, everything will be given by their parents. But when they are mingling with other kids, they will not be ready to share anything with others. That habit will not develop when they are in a small family. Okay, are you all selfish kids or you are smart and good kids? I know you are all good kids and you will share everything with your friends and the family members, right? Yes. Next, can't get love from their grandparents. So already I told, small family means only parents and kids will be there at their home. So they will not get enough love from their grandparents. Okay. Next one is children are outward from family and move more towards their friends. So the children who are growing in small family have the tendency to move towards their friends than their family members because always they will be with their parents and no one will be there at their home, right? So always they want to see their friends, they want to play with their friends. So they will move from the family towards friends. Okay, so always they will ask when you will take me to friend's house, or when the friend will come to my house. Like that they will started asking many questions when you are in a small family. Understood? These are all the advantages and disadvantages of being in small family. Next we are going to see about the advantages and disadvantages of being in a large family. First advantages: more affection and love between family members. Okay, big family means your grandparents will be there, your aunt will be there, uncle will be there, cousins will be there. So everybody will have more affection and love. Okay, there will be more affection and love between the family members. Then more person will be there to enjoy the life. Okay, so always there will be somebody in your house to enjoy. You will not feel lonely at any time. Okay, next one is more support when problems arises. For example, if one uncle has problem means other uncle will go for the support. Okay, so like that there will be more support when there is a problem arises. Okay, these are all the advantages of being in big family. So first one is more affection and love between family members. Then more person will be there to enjoy the life. Then you'll have more support when problems arises. Okay, next, what are the disadvantages of being in a big family? Okay, first one is privacy denied. Okay, so big family means lot of person will be there in one house. Okay, if mother want to share some secret with the father, it is difficult because all others are there. Other persons will be watching what is happening. Okay, so the privacy is getting denied when you are in a big family. Then it leads to quarrels. For example, you are there and your cousin brother is also there. You both are in the same age. Okay, and you will have one toy and the cousin will not have a toy, so he will play with you, and one time what will happen, he will try to take the toy of yours, so you will started fighting each other. This is my toy, I will not share you. Okay, like that there will be some problem between the family members. Okay, then more earning member may insult less earning member. More earning member means more salary. Okay, earning means salary. So two aunties and two uncle are working. Okay, so one uncle is getting more salary and other uncle is getting less salary means when there is a problem comes, the more earning person, the person who gets more salary will tell the person who is getting less salary that I am only getting more salary, so I am only spending more for this family, you are spending only less. So like that there will be some problem between the more earning person and the less earning person when you are in a big family. Okay, so these are all the disadvantages of being in big family. First one is privacy denied, then leads to quarrel, then more earning person may insult less earning person. Okay, understood? Next we will move on to family tree. What do you mean by family tree? Family tree means how your family is structured. Okay, how your family is structured with your grandparents, your cousins, your uncle, aunts. Okay, so like that how your family is being structured. So here I am going to show you one example of my family, and you can just keep yourself over there and see the relationship between you and others. Okay, so this is the family tree of my family. Okay, so this is me and this is my son who is studying in 2nd standard. Okay, so in this yellow place you just put yourself. Okay, you just put yourself in this yellow place. Instead of my son, you can put yourself as me. Now we are going to see the relationship. Okay, so this is your brother, this is you, so the person who is near you is your elder brother, and this will be your father and mother. Okay, this will be your father and mother. Now you just look at the right side. Okay, right side of your mother, there is one more person, that is your mother's sister, and one more person is here, that is your mother's sister's husband, right? This is your mother's sister and this is the husband of your mother's sister and this is your mother's brother. Okay, so what will be the relationship for you? And this is you, this is your mother, this is your mother's sister, means she will be your auntie. Okay, she will be your auntie and the auntie's husband will be your uncle. Okay, auntie's husband will be your uncle and your mother has one more brother, means that brother also will be your uncle. Okay, brother also will be your uncle. So this is you. If this is your mother and your mother has one sister and one brother and your mother's sister is your auntie and mother's brother is your uncle and sister's husband is also your uncle. And what about the parents of your mother? Okay, what about the parents of your mother? Yes, the parents of your mother is grandparents. Okay, father is the grandfather and mother is the grandmother. Okay, next we'll move on to father's side. Okay, and this is you and this is your father. Okay, you put yourself in this position and see the relationship with your father. Okay, this is your father and your father has one sister and one brother. Okay, your father has one sister and one brother. So your father's sister will be your auntie and your father's brother will be your uncle. Okay, father's brother will be your uncle. Same way, your father's sister's husband is also your uncle. Okay, and your father's brother's wife is also your auntie. Okay, understood? And what about his parents? So his parents are called grandparents for you, right? His parents are called grandparents for you and he is the grandfather and she is the grandmother. Now, what about the children of your aunts and uncle? Okay, what is the relationship of your auntie's son? Okay, your auntie's son is called nephew. Your auntie's son is called your nephew. Okay, see, auntie's son is called nephew and auntie's daughter is called niece. Auntie's daughter is called niece. Auntie's sons are called nephew. Auntie's daughter is called niece. Okay, so you have any doubt in this relationship? You just draw your family tree in your notebook and see the relationship. Okay, kids? With this, our 4th chapter is over. So, kindly see the attached quiz link to complete the quiz. All the best, kids. Do well. If you like my videos, subscribe to enhance your learning. Thank you.